All right. Hello, hello, hello. I am here in the Walgreens parking lot. It feels good to actually be out in the world. Just took my mask off. I picked up some things that we needed. Hello, Jan. Welcome. I just thought I would pop on here and say hello because it's been a while since I've done a live and answer one of the most common questions that I get about the membership. We have a special big offer going on right now because we are approaching the second half of 2020. And if you haven't had any experience similar to mine, it hasn't gone exactly like you planned. It's kind of an understatement for everyone. We've all experienced it a little bit differently, but nothing we really had planned for the year has happened the way we thought it would. We're staycationing a lot, or changing our vacation plans, or continuing to stay at home, doing whatever we can to stay safe and healthy for ourselves and for others. Oh gosh, awesome. Welcome. Lots of usernames here. Purplicious, SB Mom, S7MD Clark, Dawn124. Welcome. So yeah, 2020 has been kind of crazy. Understatement of the year. And I wanted to do something to help you start fresh. To say, okay, it is what it is, and it is going to continue to be what it is for the next half of the year. But I can invest in myself and take time for the things that fill me up so that I can better cope with everything out there in the world. Welcome, Marina. Awesome, so many faces. Good here. It's so fun. I love being able to be with you guys and talk a little bit. So yeah, I wanted to give you this opportunity to just start fresh. Press that reset button for the second half of 2020. So we have a special membership promotion. You can see the link in my profile at Simple Scrapper, where you can hop over and see the deal. It is $75 for 6 months of membership. Normally we only sell either month-to-month memberships or a full year at a time. So this is a special offer to get 6 months so you can finish out the year inside of our community and get that support and accountability and friendship, resources, inspiration, everything that you need to be a happy and productive scrapbooker. Well, welcome, D. Gardner, Librathrami, Journals for Life stamps. Hey guys, welcome. So the question I wanted to answer today, and I'm hoping to do these for over the next couple days, is who is the membership for? Because this is probably the question I get asked the most. Is it just for paper scrapbookers? Is it just for digital scrapbookers? What if I only do Pocket Pages or the Project Life app? Or what if I'm really into Traveler's Notebooks right now? And the big message that I want you to understand is that our community is for absolutely everyone. We share lots of different inspiration. Every month we have a featured designer. You may have seen them. We highlight them on Instagram and Facebook. And on our website as well. You may have heard them on the Scrapbook Your Way podcast. And we try to pick designers who have different approaches to scrapbooking. Paper, digital, pockets, traveler's notebooks, mini books, all the things. But we use their design kind of approach to create new tools for our members. But really what we're about at the core, all that stuff, it's awesome. I love that we do that. And I think our huge, we have more than 500 sketches and digital templates in our library. That's one of the reasons our members love us. And that's maybe why they join, but why they stay is because of the people, just the generous, warm support of this diverse group of crafters who are into all these different things, sharing their own experiences, teaching each other. Sometimes I feel a little extraneous because our members do such an amazing job of helping and supporting and teaching one another. Hey, have you ever done this? Yes, and this is how I did it. And they share an example or even share a finished project. How have you approached this? And you'll get paper examples and digital examples. And I think we have this almost a resurgence of wanting to try new things because of all this sharing that we have inside the community. So we have, hardcore, long-time paper scrapbookers, dabbling in digital, trying hybrid, learning new things. And then we also have digital crafters who are feeling that craving to they want that tactile experience. They want to, have that, I want to feel like a kid again, experience with making something with their hands. And so they dabble in mixed media or do a mini book project or a traveler's notebook. So I love the cross-pollination of styles. And I just want to make it so abundantly clear that all are welcome, and that should not ever be a barrier, because what we fundamentally do is support you on your own journey. That's why the podcast is called Scrapbook Your Way, and why we host the Your Way workshops every month and have the Your Way workbook, is because it's all about helping you find your unique path and that unique combination of things that are filling you up, like meeting all your creative needs, giving you that deep fulfillment of what is your legacy and memory keeping, and then also making sure that those fit your life right now, like literally right now, not what did you do 15 years ago or 10 years ago or 5 years ago or even last year, and saying, well, I still have to do that same thing because I bought the stuff and I committed to it. No, you don't. You have permission to start fresh anytime and follow your own inclination, follow your own creative desires, because that's where you're going to see the most productivity. And we help you figure out what is that unique combination of different approaches for different parts of your story, so that you can finish more projects and have fun doing it and just feel that sense of camaraderie and friendship in a community. And that's what we do inside of My Simple Scrapper. All right, guys. Oh, lots of more people. Okay. 7 Mixed Arts, Crappin AK, Tanya Walsh, Amy, one of our team members is here, Kim Norman, Harry Dog 20. All right, awesome. Thank you guys so much. Katie Knits too. Do you guys have any questions for me right now? I do hope to pop on again, but I'm happy to answer any questions. We started this membership in, I need to actually find the actual date, but I remember in the beginning of 2010, beginning of 2011, as I started this program called Simple Pages, Simple Projects. And in the beginning, all it was 3 sketches, some storytelling prompts, and then like a crafty project. And it evolved into so much more. And I remember we redeveloped it for 2012, because this is when my daughter was an infant. And it has just, become this beautiful community. So Kim Norman asked, is this a class? So My Simple Scrapper is a membership community. It does include classes in it. We actually have what we really call events every single month. 4 times a year, we have an event called a Refresh, which is a 7-day online retreat with curated activities to help you dive back into your hobby. We have you do these little fun exercises, like think of going on a photo walk and looking for specific things, or taking these specific supplies and making a new page, or flipping through your photo library and finding a photo from this exact date on any year, and then scrapbooking that story and coming up with all the different stories you could tell from that random photo. So we send you in lots of little directions to kind of get your creativity going. And then in the other months, we have other types of classes. We just did Photo Crush this past month, which is where we have a curriculum to help you organize your photos, or you can kind of craft your own path in Photo Crush depending on what you need. Because some people are pretty well organized and they know they need to work on, say, 2017 photos and really managing those. So we really try to make everything we do flexible, customizable, personalizable, so that it is supporting your journey right where you are, while also still giving you plenty of opportunities to jump in and follow along as well. Katie Nistusa sounds very creative. I hope so. I hope that's what we do. It's really all about helping scrapbookers show up and make that commitment to themselves. I'm a mom, and I know a lot of you out there are moms, and it's sometimes hard to let go of the household chores and the expectations, even the expectations you put on yourself of your own time and how you should be spending it, to really take time for yourself. And we do that and provide you so much accountability and support inside the community. All right. Love Jakar's joined, Crop Elf joined, Sarah Moorfield joined. Awesome. Hi, guys. Any other questions that I can ask for you? Yeah, so we have lots of classes on the inside. Pretty much, I would say 90% of any class that I've ever taught in the past is inside of the membership now, and occasionally we do live sessions. So later this year, we're going to do a live session of the finishing project. And so this class is designed to help you finish an existing project while giving you kind of new tools and techniques for future projects so that you can finish more of the projects that you start. Because we know sometimes we have these grand ideas, but then you maybe bit off more than you could chew, or you lost the inspiration, you lost the mojo, or even just the momentum. Something happened in your life and you had to put it aside, and it's hard to jump back in. And so the finishing project helps you jump back in wherever you are, set a new course so that you can get that project finished. All right. All right, guys, thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out in any way that you can. DM is fine. I always respond to those. And I'll be back here soon to talk a little bit more. I hope to see you inside the community. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.